still waiting on the medical examiner's report on a child who drowned in Frankfort Creek in the city's Crescentville section on Sunday.
The tragedy serves as an important warning about water safety, especially this time of year. Aliana Gomez is here with more on how to protect your children. Good morning.
Good morning, Matt and Tam. You know, many kids are celebrating their last day of school today, and the official summer kickoff begins this week, but it coincides with a stark warning about drownings. The U.S. Consumer Product Safety Commission unveiled its annual report and found that drownings continue to be the leading cause of unintentional death among children ages 1 to 4. Nearly 400 children under the age of 15 drowned, and that number is up. And the latest data shows racial disparities among African American and Hispanic families.
About 23% of the deaths where race was known were African American children, and that number goes even higher with the older ages 5 to 14, where it's nearly half at 45%.
So the Consumer Product Safety Commission is calling on pools and communities to really come together. These racial disparities also top of mind for Nick Askew. He's the director of swimming and diving at Howard University. It's the nation's only swimming and diving team at a historically black college and university. He's also a father of 3 young children and knows the dangers that parents face when their kids are in the water. He says he and his team of swimmers are going out in the community and partnering with youth groups and schools to advocate that every person learns how to swim.
We need to continue to break down the challenges and the barriers. The myth that Black people don't swim is a barrier. We need to get out of that narrative.
And Philadelphia public swimming pools have offered free swimming lessons in the past. Last summer, they had several pools designated to offer kids and adults free swimming lessons all summer long. Experts suggest designating a water watcher for kids in the pool, especially if you're in big pool gatherings or parties. That person should not be distracted, not looking at their phone or reading a book. Their sole responsibility is to keep an eye on the kids. We can't stress it enough. It is summer season, but drownings are a major issue, Tam, so we got to keep that in mind.
Whatever you, as fast as you can, get those little ones water safe, teach them to swim. It's so important. Thank you, Aliana.